Hey guys, it's me, the Velocity here. I just want to let you know that the ES scenario called Chromium Gas that you guys have been long and awaited for has been delayed due to I have some inactive reasons and a little bit of an inactive issues. So this time I had to create ES scenario called Smasher Purification Order. But then the second one is called Smasher Purification Order. It's called Smasher Purification Order 2, or should I say, Arsenal Bird Strike. And finally, we'll move on to the finale of a Smasher Purification Order. It's called Smasher Purification Order 3, also known as the Commander's Falling. So, sorry for making you guys mad and see me a little bit inactive while not making an according gas scenario, but don't worry. I was still editing this as a script today, so enjoy the ES scenario called Smasher Purification Order, and enjoy.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures and EAS operating handbook from national level of emergency. The President of United States, or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States will speaking in station shortly. Stand by. The President of United States.
Good evening. I'm the President of the United States. That's because I was currently in the President because I was in this close location at this time. As of now, in 9:26 p.m. Eastern Western Standard Time, NORAD has detected as of several unidentified aerial warships is detected on the skies of Nicopolis, Nevada. In Nicopolis, along with the country of California and Nevada. These aerial warships are hostile. I repeat, these aerial warships are hostile to all civilians. In exactly a few minutes ago, NORAD has detected that one unidentified aircraft that has several weaponry that can destroy everything that was arrived in Los Angeles a few hours ago, and attacking everyone on their path. And then, a few minutes later, one aircraft that can fire a laser cannons that can incinerate anyone who sees it in its path. Also, one aircraft named Orgoy, who literally can launch an aircraft using the runways. These three aircrafts are literally from unknown source, was seriously confirmed to be the three aircrafts responsible with seriously being launched from S.P.O.'s Air Force Base located in Greenland and Cuba. The first aircraft is called Herzog XBO, was developed by Gruner Industries in 15 years ago. The second aircraft is called Spiritus, was also been confirmed to being rebuilt and scrapped into a project made by Sapphyne Dufriod. This aircraft can now fire laser cannons and everything else, but Sapphyne added some extra weapons, such as the railgun lasers, and everything else. And the third one is Orgoy. Orgoy can launch some advanced technology named Zone of Endless or Zoe. This drone would destroy everything in its path using the one plane that was developed by Gruner Industries named Advanced Dominant Spiders, or should I say, ADF-01 Falcon. This aircraft can fire the tactical laser systems that could destroy everything in its path. All citizens from the United States should evacuate through this area immediately. The United States government, under the conjunction of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, has set up mines and caves all around the 50 states. But we're currently advising all citizens to get to the mines and caves as the end of this transmission. This nation was currently under attack by unknown, but we will identify the targets and perpetrators at this time. So that's all I have to say. This is the President of the United States, signing off. And may God bless all, and may God save us all, and may God bless America.
Message of President of the United States. You may now return to emergency alert system.
Civil danger warning. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and North American Aerospace Defense Command. At exactly 9:48 p.m. Western Standard Time, NORAD has detected some unidentified aircrafts flying over the skies ahead above Acropolis, Las Vegas, and finally, Colorado. These aircrafts are unidentified as Spiritus and S.P.O, who seriously detected the flying in the skies overhead in the cities of Las Vegas, Nevada. Also, there are confirmed reports that the aircraft are launching some amphibious assault against all the cities across the United States. The cities include, but are not limited to, Houston, Texas, Miami, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, New York, Washington D.C., San Diego, New Hampshire, Atlanta, and much more. All residents who was affected by these areas should evacuate the area immediately. The United States government, along with the conjunction of the FEMA, is setting up the rescue camps and everything between mines and caves. But we will not identify the perpetrators and attackers at this time, but the United States government is about to launch a contingency assault on the S.P.O Air Force Base, such as S.P.O Base located in Cuba, and finally, the S.P.O Air Force Base in Greenland. Stay tuned for this station from local media outlets for further updates on this dangerous situation as it becomes available.
The immediate evacuation has been issued State of California until further notice. This message was being transmitted at the request of United States government, at 10:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Two unidentified aerial warships who was detected by NORAD few minutes ago. This aircraft, now known as a Hagayan-class heavy command cruiser, was attacking all citizens in State of California. This is an attack warning. Repeat, this is an attack warning. The attack warning was occurred on United States, and action should be taken. All citizens who's living on State of California should evacuate immediately. If you want to evacuate, bring enough food, water, medical supplies, flashlight, extra batteries, and everything, and bring important documents. The attackers and invaders now being identified as Smasher Purification Order Army led by Sapphyne, also known as Calypso. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Greetings, citizens of all world. We are the Kids Army. But that's not important. If you guys didn't know, S.P.O Army, who was responsible for the massacre, occurred sometimes in 59 hours and 2 hours ago. But we're here to help you guys fight back against S.P.O Army, but the leader is Calypso, the commanding officer of S.P.O. Also, she's a former peace smasher, but she's the one who will become a traitor who pulled the trigger and injure Mello, who is obviously a wolf smasher instantly. She won't get away after what happened to citizens who got killed in California. You guys have 1 month to prepare, cause SPO decided to build a super submarine named Hermfaxi, along with Arsenal Bird. Or else, the world will be brink of extinction if you don't be prepared. And Calypso, or should we say, Sapphyne, you should be watching this. You got 2 choices: surrender now, or we will conquer. Surrender now, and you will no longer declare war on us, or else you'll face certain major consequences if you're not surrendered yet. If he refuses, I will eliminate you.